Welcome to the GPT Classroom. Hey there! Welcome to the GPT Classroom. I'm so excited you've joined us on this journey to explore the world of ChatGPT and AI tools for education. My name is Sue Selly, the GPTeacher, and I'll be your guide on this adventure. As an educator for over 16 years, I've seen firsthand the dedication parents and teachers have to preparing students for life in the real world. That's why I've created this channel to help you navigate the uncharted waters of artificial intelligence ethically and with curiosity and critical thinking. Here at the GPT Classroom, our mission is to empower teachers, parents, and students to learn about ethical, creative ways to integrate GPT and AI technology and tools into education. We want this to be a safe, welcoming, and engaging space where everyone can come together to discover the incredible possibilities of AI while addressing its potential challenges and pitfalls. On this channel, you can expect to find a variety of content, including prompt engineering tips of the day, in-depth tutorials on GPT and AI tools and features, and creative challenges that aim to boost your interaction with our amazing community. These are some AI-created images with the prompt, "The most beautiful image ever created." We'll cover everything from practical applications and lesson planning to privacy concerns and the future of AI in education. We're all about sparking creativity and fostering critical thinking, so make sure you join in on the conversation and share your thoughts in the comments. If this sounds like something you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our exciting content. You can also connect with us on our social media platforms to stay updated on the latest AI news and resources in the education world. Once again, welcome to the GPT Classroom. We can't wait to see what we'll learn and create together as we dive into this fascinating world of artificial intelligence in education. So let's get started, and I'll see you in our next video. Until then, stay curious and prompt on. Thanks for visiting the GPT Classroom. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share with friends. And remember, stay curious.